I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the system. If we go to music, that's playing at the moment. I'm going to turn that down. But if you click the silver triangle and with the three silver circles at the bottom, you'll see iPhone Jaguar XF. So there's a tick next to Jaguar XF, which means anything that plays from my phone, if you have the audio system set up correctly, it'll come through the speakers. I'll just show you this bit again, but if you go to settings, you go to Bluetooth. If for any reason that's not showing, for any reason Jaguar XF isn't showing there, you list of paired devices, onto list of paired devices, Barry's iPhone 12. On this, the note is showing and the telephone, so that's okay for both. But if not, just make sure the music symbol is clicked. So right, we're playing this. It's turned down over to the note and the clapper board there. It says audio off. We'll switch the audio on, turn it down. That's on radio at the moment. Click source. You see it's on FM. Click Bluetooth audio. That's showing the record. If we look here, let's have a look. Let's see what happens here, because there you go. That's it playing. That's how you do it.